What's up YouTube, FXZ here again with another unboxing video. Today we're looking at a set of headphones. I've never had an over-the-ear type set of headphones before. I've always done the earbuds that kind of hook over your ear or go directly into your ear. Didn't want to pay the price for Beats. Beats seemed a little bit overpriced for the quality. I've listened to several different styles of Beats, to over-the-ear, the on-ear. I've had some friends that have them let me listen to the sound quality. Did some testing of my own and I've narrowed it down to the Skullcandy Hesh 3s. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of these. Hope you like it. If you do, give it a thumbs up, leave your comments below. Let's get unboxing this baby.
Alright, so I'm going to take my knife here and slice this package open, and don't do it like I just did, because put a nice scratch on the box. Awesome. Alright, let's get this stuff out of the way. There's my scratch. It's got an interesting finish, almost looks dirty. Huh. Alright, looking at the outside of the box, we've got the Skullcandy logo here. The Hesh 3 is the model. Wireless perfection, up to 22-hour battery life, and rapid charge, and Bluetooth. Open up, you got another Hesh 3 logo. Refined premium acoustics, noise isolating, built-in microphone, and call, track, and volume control. Open her up. Inside, you've got some basic instructions on how to hook up and these molding here for the headphones. The box with your accessories. Again, over here to the side, pairing out instructions. Nothing too important there. Going into the little box with the Skullcandy logo. Got your charging cord, USB to mini USB. Then you've got your 3.5mm jack to 3.5mm jack, so you can use these wired as well. And your basic instruction manuals that nobody's ever really going to use. And some warranty information. Alright, so now they're out of the box. You can see it's got a flat black finish. They swivel 90 degrees. Some gloss black around the earmuffs. Not sure if it's leather or pleather, but it's nice and soft to the touch. On the right side, you got the 3.5mm jack charging port. And then you have your controls for power on, volume up, and volume down. And a LED indicator. There's very minimal branding on this model. You can see a slight Skullcandy logo here. There's nothing along the top, and another skull on the other side. I kind of appreciate the tactical, discreet approach they took with this model. It's not out there saying, look at me. Like most headphones of this design, the earmuffs do fold in for compact storage. The leather headband feels nice. They don't feel like they're squeezing your head too tight. The only thing I can complain about is after prolonged use, especially when working out at the gym, your ears tend to get kind of hot. Now, since these headphones don't come with a case, I bought an aftermarket case off eBay. It comes with this nice little clip or carabiner on the side. A little strap. Don't recommend hanging that from anything. Let's open it up and look inside. Comes with a pouch. It's nice on the outside. Feels kind of scratchy on the inside. I don't know if I'd trust that with my headphones, but it would keep them from getting banged up. A drawstring on there. That's nice. Got a little pocket here you can put your accessories in. Holds everything nicely. tuck them away, and then your headphones fit perfectly inside as well. It's a nice little case, very inexpensive.
And they're kind of big, not as streamlined as say the Beat Studios or something like that. Noise cancellation is pretty good.
So overall, my honest opinion on the Hesh 3 is it's a good headphone and they are reasonably priced, especially if you don't want to pay the big prices for the big name brands. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments below.